Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahadi English School online education. I am glad to see you all in a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: to succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. To become successful in the life, this thought makes you a lot help. What does it says? If you want to become successful, if you want to achieve your goal, you must have single-minded devotion. You should not become influenced from anyone or any other track. Just follow the single track and you will reach at your goal. Best of luck to everybody to fulfill your goal. We are going to enter in the world of mathematics, where we can learn with fun. Before we start, everybody sit straight, make your back straight, take the book and pencil in your hand and look at the board. As we are sitting in the class of mathematics, sit straight, write down the date and day in this corner. First, write the date, then write the day here. Standard 1, subject maths. Then write the heading, chapter number 6, adding greater numbers. ADDING, adding, GREATER, greater, NUMBERS. Is everyone completed the heading? Not yet. That complete it. Write chapter number 6, adding greater numbers. I hope you all have completed, so we can move forward. Before we start the new concept, let's make a quick revision of previous lecture so that you can be able to understand what we have completed in previous lecture. So now, look in your book and compare. Either you have completing this or not. If not, then write with me. Write down the heading, addition using the number strip. ADDITION, addition. USING, using. THE, NUMBER, number. strip. Addition using the number strip. Write the heading. First letter must be capital. Why you are writing? Write the sum 28 plus 4. Now as we want to solve this sum with the help of number strip. First of all, you might be familiar with number strip. This line which having some numbers on it is called number strip or number line. Here you might have a question that how can we solve the sums with the help of this number strip? So first of all, copy the sum in your book, then draw this number strip or number line. Now, as our sum is 28 plus 4, first of all find number 28 on the number strip. Look at here is number 28. Then go 4 places forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will be at 32. Here we reach at 32, which will be the answer which we have to write here. So I hope you all understand how to solve the addition with the help of number strip. Let's understand some more. The sum is 65 plus 5. Write the sum and draw this number line where we have number 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. Copy this. Now first of all, find out number 65 on the given number strip, which is here, plus 5. So move 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach at number 70, which is the answer. So write number 70 in the given box. Everyone has completed. 65 plus 5. Find 65, then move 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach at 70, which will be the answer, which you should write it in this box. So, let's take one more example. 67 plus 4. Write down the sum in your book. 67 plus 4. Draw the number strip or number line with the help of scale. Completed? Very good. Now write the number 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Everyone has completed? Very nice. Now our sum is 67 plus 4. First of all, find out number 67. Then move 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach at number 71, which will be the answer, which we have to write it here. 67 plus 4, 71. Look, my dear students, while you copy these sums in your fair book, make sure that you have to draw the number strip with the help of scale. While making the jumps, make it carefully. If possible, draw it with the help of crayons or color pencil. If it is not possible, then you can use the pencil also, but make sure that it should be proper. Okay? "58 plus 8. First of all, write the sum. Draw the number line. Write the numbers 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Now we want to solve this sum. First of all, find out number 58. Here it is. Then move 8 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we reach? We reach at number 66, which will be the answer which we have to write in this box. So, my dear students, have you all understand how to make addition with the help of number strip? I hope you all can understand. And this was the homework. So, have you completed this exercise in your fair book? If not completed, then make it completed as soon as possible. Now, we are going to learn adding 2-digit numbers. How to add 2-digit numbers. Azim carried 23 disposable bowls and Sukhbir carried 35 disposable bowls to the picnic. How many disposable bowls did they have altogether? Look, this is the picture of picnic. These students or friends are going on a picnic where the boy named Azim has carried 23 disposable bowls and the boy named Sukhbir carried 35 disposable bowls. Now we want to know how many disposable bowls they have all together. How can we know this? Yes, Here we have to make addition of 23 and 35. 23 plus 35 will be what? Let's see. Write the numbers in their correct places. What does it say? That write the numbers in their correct places. If you remember, in each and every lecture I repeat the same thing, that in addition or subtraction in mathematics the sequence of numbers are most important. So while writing the sums, write the numbers in their correct places. This thing is very important. Look, here we have to form column of tens and ones. As we are going to add number 23 plus 35. Here 2 will come in tens column and 3 will in ones column. For number 35, 3 will come in tens column and 5 in ones column. Bunch of 10 plus 10. 10 and 10, 20. Here 1, 2 and 3. 23. To understand more, here we have bunch of 10 coins, 1, 2 and 3. That means 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. These are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hope you all understand this. Now we have to start the counting. How can we make counting? First add the ones. What should we do? We should add ones first. Look at there, which number present in ones column? 3 and 5. Means we have to add 3 plus 5. What will be the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 3 plus 5 we get 8. Write it in the ones column. Then add the tens. After completing ones column, we have to add tens column, which is 2 plus 3. What it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 plus 3 we get 5. They have 58 disposable bowls all together. Let's understand more. Add 20 plus 70. The sum is 20 plus 70. To solve the sum, first of all prepare the columns tens and ones. 20 plus 70. While solving the sums, always begin with the ones. What does it say? Always begin with the ones. In ones column, here is 0. We have to add it with 0. What will be the answer? Yes, 0. After finishing the counting of ones column, move towards tens column. 2 plus 7. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Here we get the answer 9090. Now look at here, what does it say? The common mistakes. Some of the students make the common mistakes, that 75 plus 20. They put 90 here. No, this is wrong. 75 plus 20. So first solve the ones column. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. 75 plus 20 is equal to 95. This is the right method. So we have to solve like this. Here we have the example 1, 6, 16 plus 3, 2, 32. How can we solve this? What I have just said, who remembers? Yes, first of all, we have to solve the ones column. Look at here, we have the objects building here for the help. This is the building of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 6, lose 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is belongs to number 1, 6, 16. I want to remember again that we are learning adding greater numbers. Here 1, 2 and 3 means 10, 20 and 30 plus 1 and 2, 31 and 32. Now while solving the ones column, first of all we should count the ones. 6 plus 2. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Here we get the answer 16 plus 32 is equal to 48. We have one more example. 40, 40 plus 20, 20. Look, here we have only building of tens, as one's place is empty. Their presence a 0. So what should we do? While we are adding 0 to 0, yes, we get a 0. Now move towards the tens column. Here we have to add 4 plus 2. You want to count? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. At the end, we understand that 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. We have number 52 plus 25. How can we add this? Who tell me? Who knows? Yes, first of all, we have to add ones column, which is 2 plus 5. You want to count with me? Yes, let's count it. 1 and 2. Here we are going to add 5 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We get the 7. Move towards tens column. 5 plus 2. Again we have to make addition. You want to count with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to add 2 more to it. 1 and 2. What is the total? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 52 plus 25. We get 77. So, this was the introduction of adding 2-digit numbers. As I send you the PDF of this chapter, you all know that is exercise 6A. So, in next lecture, we will make practice of exercise 6A. Is the lecture completed? Don't you think there lacks something? Yes. There is lacking tables. So, let's read and write the tables. Today we are going to learn 2 tables, table of 1 and table of 2. So, you all are ready? Make your pencil and book ready. Read and write tables with me. First write the heading table of 1. One ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 10s are 10. Everyone has completed. Then write table of 2 on a new page. Table of 2. Read and write. Two ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Is everyone completed the tables? Very good. Now it's time to take the homework. Note down the homework in your book. Write table of 1 and 2 one time in your homework book. Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.